Hello guys, so what I have here is a 2019 Honda CBR500R and a 2021 Ducati Diavel 1260. So what I'm going to do today is just to show you what how the exhaust sounds like. The CBR got the aftermarket Scorpion Slip-On exhaust, where the Diavel is just a factory exhaust. And normally we would think the aftermarket exhaust might sound louder. Would that be the case? I don't know. Why don't you tell me? By the way, I just warm up my bikes, so the engine is warm. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna turn on the CBR first, and I'm gonna let it idle for a bit, and then I'm gonna rev it to 2000 RPM, and let it stay at 2000 for a bit, and then I'm just gonna rev all the way to 4000 and just go like boom boom, all the way to 4000, and you guys can hear the sound. And then after that I'm gonna do the same for the Diavel. Okay, so why don't we start? Oh, and in case you're wondering why I'm wearing my riding boots with a shirt, that's because I'm planning to do a second video. And to know what I'm going to do for that second video, just hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell thingy, so that when I post the new video, you'll know why I'm wearing this. Okay, anyway, so let's start. Let's hear what the Ducati sounds like. There we go. And so why don't we, since we got a 2-by, why don't I turn both on? We're not sure if camera catch the real, sound of the exhaust, but to me, the Ducati sounds louder, not way louder, but it does sound a little bit louder to me, at least in my ear, when I'm here. You guys on the camera using the microphone, so I'm not really sure if GoPro is able to catch that. But yeah, but to me, Ducati definitely sounds much louder. I guess if you're talking about like a muscle car versus Honda Civic, and even the Honda Civic has a cat-to-back system, the muscle car with the factory exhaust might still sound nicer than a Honda Civic with a cat-to-back system, just in my opinion. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.